Hi, my name is Piyush, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to whiten the teeth in Adobe Photoshop. This is our subject, and we're going to use her as an example. First, let's make a copy of this image by dragging it onto the new layer. You can also press Ctrl J to make a copy. Now, this layer, which is below the other layer, we need to desaturate it. You can either do it by pressing the shortcut, which is Ctrl U, or you can just go down here and select hue saturation. On the properties panel here, by dragging this saturation panel all the way to the left, we can make the image black and white. As you can see, the layer below it is completely black and white. Go to the first layer and start masking the teeth out. In order to create a mask, just click here. Take your brush tool, you can press B, the shortcut key, and start painting on the teeth. When we paint black on the layer mask, we are basically removing the pixels from the main layer, and the layer underneath it, which is black and white, is being visible. Don't try not to paint on the gums. Let's zoom out a little bit. As you can see, the yellowness is gone, but the teeth are looking very unnatural. In order to fix it, first let's bring back a little saturation from the layer below. Go to the saturation filter here and drag this bar a little to the right. I think that looks perfect. Try to add some brightness to it as well, because they are looking quite dull right now. Go to the adjustment layer once again and select curves. You can also press Ctrl M to bring out the curves. Go to properties, click here in the middle and drag the curves up a little bit. Don't go too high, because otherwise this is how it's going to look. So let's just say 10%, 20%. I think that looks quite natural. And this is it. Here's a little before and after. This was the before, and this is the after. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next one.